Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Here we are. Let's get to a goofy angle. I think this angle is more appropriate than this one for working on this computer, and definitely more appropriate than this one. So we'll do the bird's eye view with the above cam. Before we get started in this repair, I want to take a moment to say, if you're not subscribed, liking the videos, sharing them, helping get them out there, and leaving comments, how are you going to be entered for the PS4 giveaway? Make sure you're leaving comments. That's how I'm picking a winner. It is coming to a close very, very soon. Be subscribed, leave comments on the videos. I'm picking a random commenter to win it. We're going to do the drawing live. Irregardless, let's get on to this repair. It's not an actual repair. I call it that because that's what we attempt to do here. But this computer came in. We need to get a data backup for a customer. They're getting a new computer. They want their data off of this one. They're going to get it. They're going to be dropping the new one off. So we need the data. We could tear it down and pull the hard drive out, which I did do in another video with a very, very similar model. Actually, the same model computer. I have a teardown for, and a smaller 19-inch version of this as well. But this one, we just need to get it turned on. So let's take a look at it here. We have it up on our bench. We're going to get our power plug it in. They just dropped this computer off. We don't have the proper power adapter for it. So with the power plugged in, let's turn it on. We don't have a keyboard. Okay. I think we could let that go and that would boot up. That is an error, a beep code, and it's probably due to the power supply. Yes, you could do it if you had the patience or had no choice. It is stupid loud. You have no way of adjusting the volume unless you like put this thing in its own isolated room that's soundproof, or a soundproof container. But I got a more important lesson. I've ran into this a few times myself over the years working on computers, so let's get right to it. We got this power adapter we were going to use out of the way, and we're actually, instead of using one that just fits, so that's the general lesson here. This is going to be a super short video, like I said. Just because the plug fits doesn't mean that it's the right one or going to power it up. So let's get that Dell power adapter out of the way. And we're going to plug in a universal with an HP end and see if we can get this computer to post. And there we go. We should get a keyboard error. Keyboard error because we don't have a keyboard plugged in. But other than that, we're fine. We'll go ahead and get this booted up and get the data off of it, not for this video. So, let that be a lesson. Just because the power cord fits doesn't mean it is proper. Yes, could we let it continue beeping and it would probably eventually post and continue on? It would. But if we were doing a job where we had to keep rebooting the computer, restarting, like installing or uninstalling software, doing a virus and malware cleanup, doing a fresh install of Windows with all the drivers you have to install and the restarts you got to do. Could you imagine every time you restart having to go through that beep code, that beeping process for however many times it repeats before it posts? That'd be insane. Do make sure you're using the proper power plugs to get your computers, especially your all-in-ones, booted up and posting first go around. Anyhow, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Leave a comment so I know who you are, that you're interested in winning something. As always, have a good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're, whatever time it is. Thank you for clicking the link so much. I do appreciate it, coming over, hanging out. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget about the giveaway. Leave me some comments. I want to know who are you? Do you want it? Let me know.